What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you step by step on how to draw Bowser from Super Mario, but we're gonna do it the right way. So let's grab some paper and something to draw with and let's get started. Now you want to begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw a curve for the top edge of the muzzle. Let's start over on the left side. We're gonna bend this up and then in towards the middle. Let's round at the top, go across, and then bring that down towards the right, towards the same height. Now along the top we're gonna add the nostrils. Let's start over on the left. Bend this up and out. Line this up over on the right. Going up and out. And I just want to curl it around the end and just tuck that in along the inside. We have a little overlap along the bottom. And we'll fill the nostrils in black. Now I'm going to tuck the side of the muzzle in underneath that curve. Let's start on the top left. Bend this up. Come all the way around towards the bottom. And just pull that up towards the middle, right in the center. Let's work our way around the right side. Come down toward the same height, go all the way around, go up, and then just tuck that in. Now let's add two curves on the side for the mouth. I'm going to start on the left side, bend this out, and then up. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing. And then on the ends, we're just going to add a bracket, going out and then down. Let's add two large teeth along the bottom. Starting over on the left, bend this down and in towards a point, come in and then up. And we'll line that up on the right side. Now just on the outside of the teeth, we're going to bend the mouth, coming in and then down towards the lower lip. And then we'll layer the lower lip on top. Step out, bend this up in the middle, go across and then down. Let's add two small fangs along the bottom. Starting from this point, go up and in, come in and then down. Now I'm going to draw the top edge of the tongue. Let's start underneath the tooth on the left, bend this up and then down in the middle, go up and out towards the right. Let's fill that top area in black. Now from here we're going to go up to the top and draw on the eyes. Let's leave a gap in the center, start over on the left, we're going to curve the brow, coming in and then up, go over towards the right and do the same thing. Let's go to the bottom left side of the brow, bend this out and then up, curl around the eyebrow and then bend that down. Let's do the same thing on the right side, going out and up, rounding out the top and then bending that down. Let's add some points along the outside of the eyebrow. Starting on the left, go up and then in. Let's add another point, go out and then down towards the side, go up toward the top and then down. Now I'm going to add one more curve along the top. Start from the outside, bend this up, come all the way down. I'm just going to taper the eyebrow so it gets narrower as we come back in. And we'll do the same thing on the right. Going up, come down, and then bend that in. Let's tuck the eyes in underneath the eyebrow. Starting from the top, just going to bend the eye, going out, come around the bottom, and then in towards the top of the cheek. And do the same thing on the right. Go around, and then in. Let's add a fold underneath the eyes. Stepping down, go out and then up towards the side. Now I'm going to draw two half circles along the top of the brow. Let's start on the left side, come down, and just tuck that up on the inside. Let's trace that curve along the inside, the bottom edge of the pupil. And then along the top of the pupil, add one small curve, and we'll fill the bottom in black. Now from here we're going to go back to the side of the eyes and curve the cheeks, going around the corners of the mouth and then in. Let's start on the left. Bend this up, come around the corner of the mouth, come down and then bend that in. Let's line this up on the right. Going up, come down, and then bend that in. Now let's go back to the left side. Just going to gradually bend that down toward the bottom of the chin. And then we'll round out the chin coming up towards the center. Let's start over on the left, come around toward the bottom, and just pull that up in the middle. Come down toward the right side, go all the way around, and then up. Now in between the eyebrow and the top of the cheek, right up here, it's going to curve the head, going out and then down. And then from the top of the eyebrows, add a curve, coming down the middle, and then back up. Now from here, we're going to add the hair along the top of the head. Let's start over on the left, bend this out, go up, and then in, come down, and then in. Let's add a large point in the center, going up and across towards the right. Bend this in and down, go out towards the right. It's going to bend that back in towards the bottom. Let's go up to the top, bend this up and out, come in and then down, and move back up, bend this out and up. Now I'm just going to curve this down toward the top of the right eyebrow, going out and then down. Now I want to add one more fold across the top of the brow. Let's start on the left, bend this in and then down. Same thing on the right. Now I'm also going to add one more fold along the outside of the eye. From the top, step out, curve this around and down. And then along the side of the head, we're going to draw the base of the horns. We'll start from the top of the eyebrow, curve out, come down, and then in. Now let's go up to the top and curve the horns, going out and then up. Let's line that up on the right side, going up towards the same height. Now from the tip of the horns, come around towards the bottom. I'm just going to tuck that in along the side. Let's go up to the right and do the same thing. Now I want to finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a portrait illustration of Bowser. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. And if you want to draw more characters like this, you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.